Go. Hey y'all, it's JP.
And it's Jay.
Welcome to the JJ Show.
Hi, day one. Who is your first love?
Ikaw.
Oh, nagsabat.
Oh, aking si Lala.
Nagsabat si Lala. Dapat she is the first love. Bugagan. Di ba? Naman niya si Lala. Pagtapos ang akon. What is your favorite song? Dali
Bob Marley.
What do you think about Colasi Antique Road?
Bumpy.
One word man.
One word of mouth?
One word of mouth. Foot and mouth disease.
Wala, nagano kami.
Pasali kaya normal na tayo kaya sila.
Tadlong.
Hi.
Hadlo ka kay Lenga.
Wala ko nandok ni. Dapat normal lang ta.
Normal lang ta eh. Bis ka hindi ta normal. Wala ko gay. Masudlan ni karon.
Ipos ki gato.
Hi people, it's the second day, the afternoon.
Yeah, and she's vlogging again.
Yeah, I woke up recently from a nap because I felt like I needed to gain more energy for this. So anyway,
Because she wanted to be fresh for this vlog.
just right before this, we actually went out on a walk and we saw so many small orange
You
jellyfish.
saw another dolphin?
Yeah, we saw dolphins. We saw 2 dolphins.
What's the color of the dolphin?
Gray.
I thought purple.
Yeah, it's a purple and gray dolphin.
But I think it was not a dolphin. It's a mermaid.
A mermaid.
Yeah, she's in front of you.
Oh,
Right, very drunk.
yeah, I know, right?
Yeah, but she looks gorgeous though.
Yeah, she looks mystical, but now she's
And she doesn't know we're talking about her.
yeah. Mermaid, no?
Yeah, you like the hair?
Yeah. Ang mermaid, gadya ah.
Hey, mermaid.
Mermaid ka talaga.
Jade was telling me that you look gorgeous and
Oh,
mystical.
thank you. You look gorgeous.
You should join her. We save you a spot here.
Hindi ka pa na. You're getting the chance. Hi guys. By the way, I have a fish here. And we're just drinking some beer.
Be casual.
Yeah, be casual.
You don't have to like.
So you don't have, you don't have to like memorize. So guys, right now I feel like she's eating her fish friend.
It's called,
Kinain mo ba fish friend mo? Friend mo na nga.
it's called cannibalism.
Yeah. Kasi isda ka talaga. Kasi mermaid ka naman bala.
Came kung isda ka, anong isda ka at bakit?
Shark.
Shark.
Baby shark.
Why do you want to be a pantat?
Ano tsura sa pantat man?
Look at yourself in the mirror. That's a pantat.
Ano tsura sa pantat man?
Catfish.
Catfish. No, I don't like catfish. I don't eat that.
Kimi, it's catfish. It's not cutfish.
I want to drink Red Horse.
Wow, galing-galing.
Take your chance. Daw ko ako gatagay balan.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Excuse me?
Hey, chug.
What did you say?
What I say?
What I say?
What I see?
Siya or siya? Sino gwapa? Siya or siya?
Pili lang.
Tudlo lang?
Siya. Oh, siya.
Oh, very
Right
good.
choice. Right choice. Balis ka doon lang, Goro.
I think so.
Yeah. Hi, madang person.
What's your name?
I want to get Iskaya.
Oh, very good. Yes. Gwapa ka? Oo, hindi. Ay, very good.
Gwapa siya, dili.
Gwapa ko? Oo, hindi. Hindi, sabat. Oo. Gwapa ko. Oh, gwapa ko. Ano ga? Ay, very good. Yay. May 100. Sila ka nang bala. Ay, dire, kuya magwapa sa Marizon Island. Gapakadto pa lang ka mo. Pag ka Dexter. Pagkabang, ay, si Tita Weng, gwapa. Tigilan. Tita Weng, gwapa.
Tita Wing guapa.
Very good! Ay, I love you. 100 si Madam. Dalagit. Daya mo niya ako mga loyalties award.
Sige pa. Tamo ah. Nila. Are. Oh. Kut-kuta na eh.
Nga.
Kasi sa harang din ka.
Ba?
Ano ganit meaning? Singa, no? Dana.
Center. Eh, so far, enjoy ka man din eh.
Yes, actually, very nami.
Scale of 1 to 10, gaano ka clear? Kanya nakatuan mo din ang pinaka-clear nga nga dagat.
As
You think
in,
it's
like,
Mararison?
Oo, but hindi pa ko confirm man gid.
The waters in Guimaras are much clearer than this one, right?
Some,
Even in Kasia,
some I can say yes.
some like Kasia
Yes, kasi
and Taklong, name right?
ano ang taklong?
Taklong and Tando Group of Islands Natural Park.
Ay, tiga, oo,
Yeah,
iba.
the banana boat was the most boring banana
Oo,
boat.
like, not sure.
For me, it's gonna be 3 Bs. Why?
Yeah.
Boring, banana, and boat. 3 Bs.
Do magiging upset ka na lang, bro. Like,
I don't really get upset.
hindi
I would just, maybe I'll just get bored.
Oo.
You get bored, you sleep.
Matulugan ka bro.
And then you wake up, you feel better. Lala. There's a nalala there, oh. There, oh. His name is Lolo. Because the hair is long.
Me and Tito JP are gonna make a podcast called The JJ Show because his name starts with J and my name starts with JP.
And what's the post culture?
About
Hey, this is
and
J
J
together, you make a
A heart.
heart. Boost,
That's
my
my
ego
ego
boost.
schedule like the nose.
Wait a minute,
Yeah, that girl.
a minute.
Lalaton.
Pinaguro ni
Ha?
tamad na ko ni.
Sige, go na.
Anong phone mo?
iPhone
iPhone
16.
Pro Max, fully paid.
Fully
Fully paid. Pila ka gig?
256 lang. Hindi 1 terabyte.
Mayaman.
Ay, mga mauba ko na yan
Oy!
ilang gig. Bastos. Sino na picture na?
Tutoy, boobs?
Ah,
Magaling tutoy.
galing.
Amo na sa inyo, tutoy? Sa Bisaya? Sa Mindanao?
Pati mo patihan niyo pa ni Saririt.
Batian mo na.
Hindi makadlaw. Kaya hindi ko makontrol ako ni. Hindi makadlaw.
Hindi ko mabunggan. Makakita ko, tsura mo, makakadlokit ko.
Iwan lumusan nakikita karon. Amo ni ka na ba mo lubos ka gid.
Malan ko man, mapatay ko.
Sige, ano natin? Sige na mag-ihi ko. Gagwa na lang sa dahil. Wala lang.
Alta, normal, mantay ko, malang hindi.
Ipagilabos na hindi yun nung kaya.
Ay! Hindi ko.
Okay, mangilamos ka ni.
Ay nga, mangilamusong.
Di ka dito ara mo ni hita.
Imo lang kaya.
Di ba?
Thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain. Thank you for joy. Thank you for unsa? Pain. It's a beautiful day.
Shades ka? Sang ano? Anong baruto ga?
Like being like together with you, like something like biskan diin man basta kamo ang upod na good memories na iya. Good answer.
What is the best memory you had here so far here with us?
So far, I don't have memory because I have short-term memory loss.
Best memory and most remembrance of us.
So far?
Yes.
Maybe the mic not too close to my mouth. Vlog together. And your mom really didn't care so much about what we did or what we had to do for that day. And you even asked her, Mom, can I go out?
Oh.
We're gonna have a vlog.
Yeah.
And then she's like, okay, nothing. You know.
Yeah. She was just chill with
It was a
it.
chill, yeah. It
Yeah.
was a chill day. Ah, because that was like a fun vlog with you.
Yes.
We were able to go to the market together. I drove you around. We got to buy some bananas,
And we bought vegetables.
vegetables, and you forgot to buy.
Eggplant.
Was it eggplant?
Yeah, it was eggplant.
Oh,
Okay.
that's nice.